Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the Township hack with unlimited cash and coins, just like you see here, and it lets you build your dream town without any limits. It's super easy to get, so I'm going to close the game now. First thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to this website. The website is called AppZut. You can see it on my screen. Make sure you type it in correctly so you land on the right page. This site has a huge library of mods and apps for all kinds of games. You can scroll through and see what's popular, but we're here for Township today. So what you'll want to do is tap the search bar at the top and just start typing in Township. It should pop up in the suggestions right away. Once you've typed it, just hit search and you'll see the Township hack appear in the results. That's the one we need, so go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to the download page. Here you can see all the information about the hack, including the version and that it works for both iOS and Android. As you can see here, it clearly states you get unlimited cash and coins, and the best part is there's no jailbreak or root required for this to work. Once you've looked everything over, just find the Start Download button and press it to begin the process. It checks your device compatibility and packages the latest version of the hack. Once it's done, you'll see this final page. Just follow the instructions here to unlock the download and the app will install onto your device. And that's it. You'll have the Township mod on your phone. Thanks for watching.